Once reserved exclusively for business projects, metal roofing is now one of the most popular roofing materials in the U.S., being utilized for both residential and commercial roofing. Today we will talk about the benefits of metal roofing and how to install it. Let's start with benefits. Number 10. Long-lasting. The longevity of metal roofing is consistently cited as the greatest advantage. Metal has a far longer lifespan and is much more durable than conventional asphalt shingles. Depending on how well it is erected and cared for, a typical metal roof can last 25 to 50 years. Higher-end metal roofs, such as those with aluminum shingles and field-locked standing seam, may last for more than 50 years. One composed of copper or zinc can endure for far over a century. Number 9. Lightweight. Modern metal roofing materials are far lighter than other conventional roofing materials, such as concrete tiles. Metal ranges from 50 to 150 pounds per square, whereas concrete tiles can weigh up to 900 pounds per square. The installation process is simplified by the lightweight metal, which also enables you to save money on designing and constructing the supporting framework. Number 8. Quick and simple installation. We cannot afford to overlook the advantages of metal roofing, such as speed and simplicity of installation. It is lightweight and manageable thanks to its length, width, size proportion, and other features. The majority of metal roofing materials are available in 12 to 36-inch wide panels or several single sections that are simple to handle and install. Number 7. Lowest roof pitch. A roof has a slope when it is less than 3 in 12, which indicates it rises 3 inches for every foot of horizontal space. Standing seam roofs can be installed at roof pitches as low as 1 in 12 or as high as 2 in 12. A metal roof can be put on any structure, regardless of slope. Also, putting metal roofs on low slopes is frequently less expensive to build and requires less roofing material than doing so on steep slopes. Number 6. Maximum rainfall and snowfall. This is one of the main advantages of installing metal roofs for people who reside in regions with a lot of snowfall and rain. Since the metal sheet's surface is naturally rough and slippery, snow and water have a difficult time clinging to it. Also, installing metal roofing in dark colors or with a PVDF coating multiplies the advantages of metal roofing. The PVDF coating helps to reflect back more sunlight, enhancing HVAC performance, and the dark tones of metal roofing quickly warm to the sun, boosting snowmelt. Having the snow easily slide off your roof in locations with frequent snowfall is quite advantageous since it lightens the burden on your house. Number 5. Energy savings. Installing a metal roof could be beneficial if you want to reduce some of your monthly bills. Houses with metal roofs can reduce their monthly cooling expenditures by up to 30%. Reflectivity. How well the roof reflects the sun's rays back is referred to as reflectivity. UV rays from the sun are very well reflected by metal roofs. The quantity of heat that is transmitted into the attic is reduced when your roof reflects the sun back. The less heat in the attic, the less energy you'll need. Emissivity. The term emissivity refers to how rapidly a thing cools down after being heated. In the summer, your roof is subject to intense heat. No matter what, the radiant heat will somehow be absorbed by the roof and transferred to the attic, thereby trapping it and forcing your air conditioner to work harder to release it. The roof will continue to heat up from the sun, and the air conditioner will work extra hard to cool it down. The roof and the air conditioner continue to fight throughout the summer. Your AC unit works really hard to maintain the fight, which results in a larger energy cost. When the sun sets, energy-efficient metal roofing keeps your roof cold to the touch, allowing your air conditioner to take a much-needed break and lowering cooling costs. Number 4. Eco-friendly. The items that we use on a daily basis are seriously harming our environment. Metal roofing is the choice for you if you like to protect the environment. How is it environmentally friendly? Your everyday use of energy is derived from non-renewable natural resources like coal, natural gas, and petroleum, according to Cool Metal Roofing. Using cool metal roofing will reduce both the use of natural resources as well as your electricity cost. Moreover, between 25 and 95% of metals are recycled. Solar-friendly. Solar panels and metal roofs are an excellent combo. In other words, installing a solar panel on a metal roof is simple. The solar panel increases cooling and provides additional shade for the roof. Metal roofs are 100% recyclable, which is another fantastic advantage. Metal can be recycled once its useful life is through and used to make new metal sheets or other items. Did you realize it? Up to 20 billion pounds of asphalt shingles are deposited annually in the local landfill, where the majority of shingle tear-off debris is dumped. Number 3. Moss and fungus cannot grow on metal roofs. Wood and asphalt shingle roofs have a shorter lifespan because of their susceptibility to fungus, moss, and mildew. You are safe from all of those fungus attacks if you have metal, though. In addition, a metal roof shields your house from bugs, raccoons, and other wild creatures. They are unable to enter your attic through the roof. Number 2. A metal roof is a roof that resists fire. For those who live in places where wildfires are common, this is one of the major advantages of metal roofing. When these awful occurrences take place, a roof's fire resistance may be what preserves a house. This is why it's crucial to pay attention to a material's fire rating, especially if you live somewhere where wildfires are a possibility. The majority of metal roofs are assembly rated Class A, which means that both the covering and the supporting roofing material offer additional fire protection. The majority of people mistakenly believe that metal roofs draw lightning. However, this is not true at all. Due to the fact that the majority of metal roofing is assembly rated Class A, which means both the covering and the underlying roofing material offer additional fire protection. As a result, metal roofing materials are among the roofing materials with the highest fire resistance. Number 1. Suitable for all climates and seasons. One of the main advantages of metal roofing is its resilience to all types of weather and seasons. It can be given priority in regions where winter storms frequently occur since it makes it easier for snow and ice to slide off. It also reflects heat and resists moisture, making it ideal for hot, humid regions. The fact that metal roofs are watertight and rust-proof is an additional advantage. Algae cannot grow on the surface of solid metal. Installment procedure. To guarantee that the roofing system is correctly fitted and operates as intended, various stages must be carefully and perfectly carried out during the installation of metal roofing. The typical procedures for installing metal roofing are here. Step 1. Measure and prepare the roof surface. Taking measurements and making sure the roof surface is ready for installation are the initial steps in installing metal roofing. This can entail getting rid of any old roofing materials, fixing any surface damage, and making sure the surface is clean and debris-free. Step 2. Install the underlayment. It's critical to install an underlayment that helps shield the roof from moisture and adds an additional layer of insulation before putting up the metal roofing panels. The underlayment is often put over the roof surface using nails or other fasteners and is typically constructed of felt or synthetic material. Step 3. Install the metal panels. The metal roofing panels can be installed once the underlayment has been put in place. In order to prevent gaps between the panels are normally overlapped and fastened to the roof surface with screws or other fasteners. While installing metal panels, it's crucial to adhere to the manufacturer's instructions because they may change based on the precise type and layout of the roofing system. Step 4. Install the flashing. It's critical to place flashing around any roof penetrations, such as chimneys, vents, or skylights, to ensure that the roofing system is adequately sealed and shielded from leaks. Often constructed of metal, the flashing is put with the use of flashing screws or other fasteners. Step 5. Finish the edges. The edges of the roof must be finished after the metal panels have been put in order to guarantee that they are properly sealed and protected from moisture. Installing specialized trim pieces or flashing around the roof's edges may be required to accomplish this.